Hey guys, welcome back to 90 Seconds with Chris. Today's video is going to be on derivatives. To be more specific, financial derivatives. A derivative is simply a security whose financial value is derived from a different asset or security or a group of assets or securities. This asset that gives a derivative its value is called the underlying assets, and it could come in various forms like stocks, bonds, commodities, interest rates, currencies, and many more. A change in the value of the underlying asset typically triggers a change in the value of the derivative itself. Most times it's usually in the same direction, but it's possible that a change could happen in different directions. Option contracts give the rights but not the obligation to buy or sell an underlying asset at a time in the future at a predetermined date and price. See my video on options for more info on this. The derivative itself is a contract between two or more parties. Examples of this could be option contracts, future contracts, swaps, and forward contracts. And these contracts can be traded either over the counter or through brokerages. Similar to options contracts, futures contracts give the holder both the right and obligation to buy an asset at a predetermined date and price. See my video on it for more info, link in description. Forward contracts are similar to futures, but the biggest difference is that forward contracts are sold over the counter and not through brokerages, and forward contracts can also be customized as often as possible till the agreed upon date comes. Swaps are just forward contracts where one security is exchanged for another security of equal value. No actual money changes hands in this case. That's it for the video, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next one.